you are not much bothered about damage. You are bothered about when you apply anti-insect and it gives a smell. You are only concerned with that point.
Yes.
Where I am concerned with this point also, yours, as well as damage should stop.
Yes.
I am concerned with both things.
Yeah.
Damage should further stop, and we should see if we can stop smell sometime, something, that's the thing. So I am not a technician, in fact I am a ramen soldier. How to stop, that only thing is you can use sometime on holidays, Sunday, and that's only one room. Is a
No, actually that
baby
is
should
the-
not come. Baby should not come in that
That
side.
is the problem. That is the problem. Like today you have seen he has vacated almost 2 rooms. He is not using at all.
Why?
He removed all the things because of the smell. He
No.
cannot, he cannot use the whole.
Listen.
house.
Where he has shown me, where I shown there's damage. There's no room over there. Here's a living room where he's working, and here's that room. And living room are that side behind the kitchen.
Behind the kitchen is
Yeah.
a master bedroom.
Yeah.
And the small room adjacent to the main room.
Okay.
Where the sir was sitting doing his computer
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
We call it the living room.
Okay, correct.
Or
That's
we can also say the dining room.
Yes.
The living area.
Yes.
So the guest room where the problem is there,
Yeah.
and the living and this dining area,
Yeah.
both the rooms are not being used by the sir since last 10 days. You may see that his furniture is being provided by you. We already shifted the furniture also, so that there is the least deduction to the furniture also.
Okay. Now he has shown me only one place. He has shown me only one place where the damage is there.
Yeah, damage is only. one.
Only.
Yeah.
No, I do not know which are the side by which are close adjacent to that room. What are other rooms? I don't know. He has not shown
No,
me.
no, there is no damage in other
Okay.
rooms. Only that wooden floor room. that
Yeah.
is the
Yeah.
damage.
Yes.
Because
No.
Our concern is that due to that pest control, I mean, let's say
Yeah.
10 days before we have done it.
Yes. Yes.
So till now there is smell, and to control this, even if we
Yes.
do whatever you
Yes.
suggest,
Yes. Yes.
we have to do this pest control regularly.
Not regularly. You have to do once or twice. That's all. Not every time. You have to do once only. Once or twice. I think it was not done nicely. What I say, had it done nicely, it would not have come now. Again, now it has to be done. I have cleaned myself. Now you will see. He has seen today how, what damage is gone up to which level. Earlier it was only we can see there's something, but now I have seen how much done. That's enough. Now you have to do it once again. I don't think there's a regularly off and on is required. It's not that.
No, regularly required because we have other house also.
In other houses,
Yeah.
are you doing regularly?
Yes.
No.
Like, we have 2 more Koreans also. They are
Oh,
also
okay.
doing.
Okay. What I feel now, you have. I have already did something. I have already spread everything. He has to clean. उसमें दवाई अभी तो डालना है. You have to do it, and then you have to fill it with the what I tell you wood. Brada, we call it brada, with Fevicol.
Wood dust.
Wood dust. Then you have to fill it. Then smell will remain inside. After putting insecticide, you have to fill it with the what he is telling, with that Fevicol. Then smell will remain inside. It will not come out. And if still some comes, please give me a ring. I will come and see. I think problem will be over. Now when you do now and
Problem will be.
yeah. Now once you do it, how you have to do it? That is the only thing is when he has a holiday, Sunday, Monday.
No, that is my point. Even holiday, you see, 10 days before we have done.
Yeah.
A person cannot be on holiday more
Correct,
than 10
correct.
days.
Very true.
When he has baby
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
baby now 6 months old, then he will start
Yeah.
howling.
Correct.
Then we
Yeah.
cannot control the baby.
Sure.
We should not stop the baby.
I agree. So,
Like to cut short this, I just want to suggest you, can you break this lease deed?
for this minor problem, this much minor problem,
No, this is a concern for him.
This is
the
a
pest
health
control,
issue. This is our health issue.
And we are acquainted, and he being a foreigner is not feeling at all comfortable due to the pest smell and other things.
First of all, your lease agreement locking period is
Locking period, I know it
March.
is till
Is up to March 28th.
So I just want to suggest from your side, if anything, we can.
Definitely we can help each other. There's hardly anything. We should help each other. Your lock-in period, this contract is for 5 years.
Yeah, this agreement is for 5 years.
Is for 5 years. But after 2 years, we have to make some another fresh lease deed or something.
Yeah, after
24.
5 years.
No, after 2 years, he said the renewal, if any, shall be by way of fresh lease. Renewal means after 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it's after.
Because here already we have mentioned whatever
Okay.
is the release
Yeah.
for 5 years.
Okay. Understand.
So, my point is I really love the house. Actually, I really love the house. I like the top floor, and then view is very good, and then furniture and everything is good. So I'm very what I can say dislike the family, but I concern my baby actually.
I agree. Your concern is baby. Now, I think he must have seen some other flat.
No. Still now we have not started
Okay.
the process.
I think we should cooperate each other and let us first finish that thing which is already we have
Yes, that
done.
damage
That
has
is
to
to
be
done
done.
first. That is done and applied once and fill that hole with that which I told brother उसमें फेविकोल है उसे भरो. उसके बाद में before that you have to apply antiseptic, anti-insecticide and then fill that. After that, if smell comes, I will discuss with the boss. He's in the USA. He's recording. I'll send it this over to them. Your views also, his views also. But I feel it's not a big problem. It should be over with this.
No, you see, big problem is big or small depending upon person. But for him, it is.
See, okay. If he shift tomorrow, again this will come over there. Then what he will do? He'll keep on shifting. It's not.
No,
Practically, it's not. If I have a house at Patiala, I cannot shift my quarter because it is termite. I have to face it. I have to finish that. It's a problem. I have to finish the problem. Not that I should run away from this thing. It's a shortcut.
that is generally understandable. But the concern is he has 6 months.
I
That
agree.
maybe is a concern. If his daughter is a little bit older, then that is manageable. Like we have other Koreans who are doing the termite thing regularly also. But he has 2 daughters and daughters are grown up and they can manage. But you cannot control a 6 months baby. Tomorrow she will start crawling, walking. You cannot control that.
Chittaranjan, there will be no problem. Once you do it as it is, you put that medicine and cover it up with that duff Fevicol and that would be this brother at a time. And it will become as it is. And that smell will remain inside. It will not come out. You had put the injection and left it. Smell will definitely come. Smell will not come once you apply it and then cover it up. Cover it with that thing.
But I don't want to challenge using my baby. So I don't want to apply again. So
See, Mr. Rowe, you are Mr. Rowe? Mr. Rowe, see, termite problem is there, we have to control it. Smell coming is the second issue. We have to control that thing, damage should not go ahead. So that is to be controlled with that termite. And smell, to control the smell, we have to put some other things which I have told them how to put. What is to be put? There's a wood, some, I don't know, क्या बोलते हैं brother, क्या बोलते हैं यार?
Wood dust, we can say it like wood dust.
Wood dust, wood dust. It's called wood dust with a Fevicol white one. It doesn't give any smell. And we have to fill that, cover it that up. First put the medicine, then cover it up with that. What I am telling, dust, wood dust with Fevicol. It will not allow smell to come out. That I am telling you.
But Terry,
Yeah.
you're guessing, right?
Yeah.
You're guessing, but I believe you. But
If smell comes again,
Yeah.
I will come and see. If
so my point, I don't want to gamble using my baby.
I agree, I do agree. You don't want smell. I understood.
No, not only smell, like he don't want to suffer anymore. Like he don't want to gamble. Like he don't want to try that, and while his baby is still staying there.
See, that is a very small issue. Very small issue. You are going to make a big problem. It's not a big problem. That
No. Problem big or small, I am not talking about.
mhm.
The point is why we have taken. He should be comfortable staying at there.
Mhm.
And that is also your point. Whoever
Yeah.
staying there, he should be comfortable there. So now he is not feeling comfortable due to these reasons. So let's talk further for.
now, if you had determined your mind, if you have already planned that we want to change, then I can't suggest anything. Number one.
No,
If-
we have
if you-
not planned or we have not.
if-
This is past time we are talking to you.
Right. If it is that thing, see, I have a house here, very close by. South close. I think you have seen. You must have seen.
We had.
He is welcome to stay with me for a week or so. When you apply, well, I mean, he can,
No, in that
Listen,
same
listen.
building, he is staying in 18th floor. We have another Korean staying in 13th floor.
no problem. There's
Same time in February we have taken that floor. And,
No,
in March we have taken
Yeah,
that floor.
and we have another point. We are taking two houses in Bray. Two houses we are getting bigger than this. I will suggest him we can ship him there.
Yeah, if,
That's another
that
alternative.
is okay. We
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see
yeah.
those things.
We can. I mean, we can amicably we can bring a solution with his happiness.
Yes.
We are taking two house in this week, and but that house we are giving as it is, as we are getting. Everything is there. What is not there is the dining table and chairs, sofa set, 2,
Curtains.
curtain, 3. Anything else?
3 is nothing.
3 is nothing mean?
बाकी सब कुछ है.
Yeah. These 3 things is not there. Dining table,
Curtains.
curtain, and sofa set.
Furniture.
No, that's a furniture. That's not bed. I think bed.
No,
Yeah,
No bed.
bed. Yes, bed.
Bed
Bed
is
is not there. 4 items are
All
not there.
furniture.
All other things they are giving us ready-made, furnished, well, with almara, everything. So
And
if
that
we-
is very high-end building. High-end.
if we wish to shift that side, we'll help him that way. But it will come within 7-8 days. We are getting the key. We'll show him. We'll show you. We'll do something. In the meantime, we will send our conversation to him. What he says, what you people want. Our
No,
duty.
my concern is
Yeah.
like he come from Korea to
Yeah,
stay
yeah,
and
yeah,
work here.
yeah.
So his concentration should be on work, not in his house and other things. So he should be comfortable, utmost comfortable in his home. That is my concern. So let's see what is.
Yeah, it's my also prime duty to make him comfortable. It's my duty also. So that's the thing. If you go with my advice, better you as I told you, check, clean it and apply. Take one carpenter with you. Take some wood dust clean it, apply antiseptic, anti-termite.
We call it pesticide.
Hold on, and do it and fill it with the dust, wood dust immediately. Immediately you fill it. After applying immediately it's ready, it should be filled, complete. Then if the smell comes, still smell comes, please give me a ring, I will come anytime. Number 2, the moment we take to flat is his choice, whichever he wants. I will recommend whatever he wants, we'll give him. It's also close by,
यहाँ से दिखता है सामने से
you can see.
आपके ऑफिस से सामने से दिखता है
And we will show you what you have to do. Bed, this bed can go that side also. If we are not providing bed, he can take this bed. He can take this sofa also if he needs. But if he has his own, no problem. That's up to him. Third, curtain. He can take this curtain if he wish. But otherwise, that length must be something else that can be seen later on. But brain should be very clear. I have to stay here or there or not at all. you have to make it that. But I feel you go with that, which I told you. And then there's a problem. Please give me a ring. I will come and see myself where your smell is coming, and then we'll do. And when you are applying, as a wood dust should be there, and Fevicol should be there. One carpenter should be there. If it is not there, then I will do myself, no problem. उसमें उस भरना है, उसको clean करना है. That's to be clean. That should be clear. Then we'll see how it comes. We'll see how it comes. If it comes, then we will think the other further what course of action you are talking. We have to accommodate each other. As per this officially,
Officially it is clear that
we cannot do anything before March, and after March, local period after March we can terminate our contract mutually. You can leave it, I can also order you to leave it. So that's the other thing. So I have gone through complete. And this termite is written here, para, this thing, small, this thing, any expenditure comes a little bit, it's all an expenditure. You have to bear it. And major, if any problem, this I have to do it. That's also here somewhere. You must have seen it.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
So all repair things we have to do and major things.
Yeah. And suddenly it's me address change करना है, that we will do it. It's little bit fresh address to be written on. It's already Firabad. Now you to amend mine. Okay, that's the thing. So let us send this feedback today. What we have seen. What is your requirement? I will communicate to him today. USA. What he tells us. What he tells him. In the meantime, you can also convince him what is what not. We also want him to happy, and you also, because we have a long relationship with you, and we want to continue that relationship.
So that was the purpose why we have gone for 5 years after.
Yeah. So once we take over, I will talk to him. If he is happy, I want to come here. No proceeding, documentation will go on. Let him be happy first. So it will be taken within 10 days. But this is not required to be delayed. This which I have seen today. It is
Carpenter का काम है, तो
it was a delay.
Can you arrange that? If you can do it, that will be much more satisfaction to you.
No. I mean insecticide. Can I see what you are using here? If you have in the office.
No. That is just outsourced to another company. They come and do it.
You people just tell the other people. You don't know what type of they are doing. In fact, we should be very practically. We purchase from the shop and we apply it. No problem. But if you call that person and you apply it and fill it also, you have to tell him.
So that is the problem. Carpenter and filling.
Both is required. And you please do arrange and please call me also. I will also come and see. I will also come and see, and I may guide them. Yeah, ऐसे मत करो, ऐसे करो. It's a small this issue. Once you tell that person whom you are telling, it should be good termite. I don't think there's termite now. It's a finished. It's a just already damage done. Not now. Now that is required to be filled now. After applying once more and fill it up. Okay, one thing you can do more, if that is your thing, you may not apply the termite. You just fill it with that dust and Fabicol. You may not apply it all. That can also stop, since if he so request. The aim. Let me talk to this boss. What he says. One alternative is we can do it without termite, anti-termite.
Yes.
We can fill it. So there's no question of any smell. Number one. Number second is we can use that termite, anti-termite first and then fill it with that. Number two. So that I will discuss with him and let you know within 2-3 days. Okay. And then still you have to call some dust, wood dust and some carpenter. And I will come there, apply with Fabicol, little Fabicol and little anti-termite liquid.
But that is what I am saying.
And then I will come there and
can you arrange those things, that carpenter and wood dust things?
Because these people are in always contact.
These people will not be up to your satisfaction, and also this is kind of major thing. So I prefer you do it.
कारपेंटर इनका मेंटेनेंस में होगा कोई ना कोई, इनका भी होता है मेंटेनेंस में. Anyhow, that let me talk to him first.
Yes.
Let him talk to me, and you also tell him whether we can use anti-termite or not. If he says no, I don't want that termite should use at all, then okay, then that is called to be filled. Now it doesn't look nice. Look, it has to be filled, then only to give nice look. But you have to call carpenter, which should equal to this. I mean, it should give resemblance. Polishing अच्छी होना चाहिए. So that person will do. Please don't give this task to me. Any person from which I think they are supposed to do. Maintenance
The maintenance
office,
department.
it is their duty. You tell him this is required to be do. You please do it. But
contact the maintenance person.
आपको बता दिया, उसको लिख के आया हूँ मैं. आपने उसको मिलना है, वो करेंगे.
Okay, we'll check up with them.
Yeah, and they are supposed to do themselves from their within their sources.
Actually, when we first, it has to come on our notice that there is a termite problem.
Yeah, I see.
We informed the maintenance.
Yeah, now.
Now what they told, I talked to the senior most person.
Yeah.
He told me that up till the main entrance gate,
Yeah.
it is the duty of all the common area to be maintained by the maintenance department.
Yes.
Once we enter into the house, it is the responsibility of the person who is living inside or the owner itself to look after the.
It's a wrong they are telling. They are wrong. It is wrong they are telling.
And this is because
Listen. We have a society in all the here. We are going to Blair now. We are taking two houses in Blair. I am living in South Close. We call plumber, carpenter, this housekeeper,
Mason.
anything, mason. We are paying them 5,000 rupees per month. For what they are getting money. I think you are also paying.
Yes.
You are giving 4,000-5,000 every month. What for that amount is going? For this thing only. So you have approached some person. Please talk to senior person. And I have spoken to that person who was doing. Telephone kar diya, he will do. They are supposed to do. And when you start doing, please give me a ring, I will come.
okay, that will be okay.
Whenever you want to go,
Yeah.
but please tell them they are going to do today. Please give me a ring, I will definitely come.
And if they build anything to us,
No, there's no bill. There's a minor. It's already written there. If they bill, there's no problem. You can pay. It is up to you. It's written here. But they should not bill you. It's a minor thing.
in an ideal condition, they should not build us.
They should not bill you. They should not bill you because we are giving them 4,000-5,000 per month. This expenditure is 100, 200 rupees, 300, not more than that. It is not more than
It's not
500.
like that.
Eh?
Not like that.
Dekho, you people are calling. I have gone to Patiala. I did a lot of this thing. I did myself not more than 200 rupees. Yes?
But Patiala, even Delhi and Gurgaon rate
It's an antiseptic powder. It comes 300, 400, 200. I don't know, both the half liter. It's required a little bit. Now comes we want to help this fellow. We should not apply it all. I will go and tell the boss we should not apply antiseptic. That he should be happy. And we should just fill. Khatam. Once he will leave the quarter, then we will fill it. Then we will apply it. No problem. That I can do.
We'll see after that.
We'll see after that. That I'll recommend him. But if what I'm telling, if he little bit apply it, आप एक बार किया है ना, एक बार आपने किया है. Now once you do due to my recommendation, it will not happen again.
हाँ वो लिक्विड अगर उसके अंदर पहुंच गया तो दोबारा नहीं है.
We have to cover it up.
एक्चुअल जो प्रॉब्लम थी वो तो खत्म हो गई है, अब उसको फिल करना है सिर्फ.
देखो आपने इसके ऊपर वो डाल दिया, इसका स्मेल आएगा. Is smell will come, but you have to cover it up. It is here, and you have to put it like this. Cover it up. It will close. From where it will
The
come.
problem was so severe that we have to put the tapes on the.
I know tape.
You have seen it. So that least smell should become, and it was very difficult to even to stand into the room.
नहीं.
Whole dining area and whole room
Listen,
were not in the position.
There's only one problem. I am telling you, I will come myself. You arrange for that. Give complaint first to those people. They should arrange it. Other, if they don't do it, then you call that person as you are doing in the office, other area. Other area you have called the same procedure. Do it and tell him you have to match it up. Damage here, he has to match this place with this, and they can do it. And if they do, I don't think they put you any bill. If they do, if that person does who you call you, then he is supposed to. Then he will give you bill. And payment is not much. It will not come more than 400-500. And I will discussing what to do. Let us mutually.
Let's
Understand.
discuss those things.
Well, I will discuss with that. But don't make all out immediately. No, I want to change. That is just it is because tomorrow he goes next room again he will have the same problem and he will say I want to change now. Then again he will go, again he will have the same problem. So we have to stand someone somewhere and this is happening because मेरी notebook is parating can be turned fresh. So let me send this thing today to him and then we will feel what we can do. And in the meantime we will take out 2 quarters. And I will show to you and to this fellow. First you have to approve. इस बेचारे को क्या पता है?
Yeah, I'll just discuss with him.
You discuss with him.
Once you get those keys,
within
let
10
us
days
know.
we are getting key within 1 week. एक का 1 week ले रहे हैं.
तो मिल जाएगा ना?
हाँ.
एक टावर डी मिल जाएगा एक.
टावर डी में within 1 week.
Where is the location?
In front of your office. This is the in front of Genpact, the main square.
जितना इस इधर से है ना ये आपका वेस्ट एंड इतना ही ये है.
यहाँ सामने
Main
दिखता है.
red light, if you go straight to your house, not on this inside roadway, if you go on the main road, that red light from where you take the right turn to your house, just on the front of the red, on the left hand side, the new
But not a problem.
buildings are coming.
New
up.
and very high-end building. Very high.
Electricity leakage,
floors.
seepage in para 15.
They are
Para
suggesting
15 if we have that done to you.
We have been doing
If that is suitable to it, then they can shift to.
If there is any problem with the electricity fittings, we
And this is
we-
totally
Yeah.
new construction, brand new construction.
They
They should
get
operate it.
possession.
They will do it. They go to. I am with you.
So that's
When you
what
go,
I'm
please
saying.
tell me, sir.
That is
मैं
suitable
जानूँ
to
आपको
they can
मालूम. They don't agree. मैं तो आज ही बात करके हूँ बोलते हैं will do. उन्हें टेलीफोन किया.
My concern is.
But suppose वो नहीं करते ना आप कर दो 4-5 सौ में खर्चा आएगा ना. We will do it.
Yeah, those things we will discuss.
I can bear no problem.